Assalamualaikum friends. Our today's topic is very important. It's about three time sponges. Three things that we do and we waste organizational time. What are those three things? Number one, don't do something that is not needed. It's been observed that sometimes managers assign some tasks to their subordinates. Later on, after a couple of hours, they realize that the task that we've given was not needed. It's not required anymore. This type of reporting or this type of working is not required. So, this is the waste of time. All this homework must be done in advance, beforehand, before giving tasks or assigning tasks to the employees. This also demotivates the employees, and this is the loss of organizational resource. Number two, don't do something that others can do for you. It has also been observed that sometimes the heads, the managers, the leaders, as a manager, we get involved in a work that can be easily done by the subordinates. So don't get involved in work that can be done by your subordinates, that your subordinates can do for you. As a manager must look after the very important tasks like planning, like revising SOPs, like working on some creative things, more important work and significant work that is lying pending. Number three, don't do something that wastes others' time. Sometimes the managers want to show their power and authority and give the task to the employees just to keep them busy and engaged, or they involve them in their personal tasks. So, involving the employees in the personal tasks or in a useless activity that is otherwise not required is the waste of organizational time. I can recollect one of the stories. I used to work in an organization which had different branches. One of our manager used to call us and tell us, Mr. Khalid, please visit visit the head office at 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. It's very important. When I used to leave my work in the mid, and I used to travel a long distance and move to the head office. I get over there, and I used to wait a lot of time over there. After waiting a lot of time, I was told that there was nothing important to discuss. Okay, we can discuss it some other time. This was a practice, and this also I have observed the same thing in other organizations as well, that the leaders engage their employees in some futile activities which are actually not required and that waste the time of the employees, or they give them their personal tasks. So I hope that this video will be very helpful for the managers and for all organizational leaders to avoid wasting organizational time. Hope you liked the video, and if you liked it, do subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.